Good morning students. In this video we are going to study about problems based on tau and sigma functions. Before going to solve the problem, first let us see the formula of tau and sigma functions. This theorem statement gives the formula of tau and sigma function. This theorem states that let p be any prime and e any positive integer, then tau of p power e is e plus 1 and sigma of p power e is p power e plus 1 minus 1 divided by p minus 1. Now let us move on to the problem section. So this first problem asks to compute the tau of n value for each n when n equal to 36 and n equal to 23. When n equal to 36, first let us find how to decompose this 36 in terms of prime factors. So by decomposition method, you can write this 36 as 2 squared into 3 squared. So now apply tau function on both sides. You will get tau of 36 as tau of 2 squared into tau of 3 squared. We know the formula of tau of p power e is equal to e plus 1. Therefore, in tau of 2 squared, power is equal to 2 and tau of 3 squared also power is equal to 2. Therefore, 2 plus 1 into 2 plus 1 will get 3 into 3. Therefore, the tau of 36 answer is equal to 9. Now, let us see what is the value of tau of 23. We know that 23 being a prime number, therefore it has exactly two positive factors. Therefore, tau of 23 is equal to 2. The positive factors of 23 are 1, 23. So in the second problem, they asked to compute the value of sigma of n for sigma of 12. We know the formula of sigma of p power e is p power e plus 1 minus 1 divided by p minus 1. First, let us see how to decompose this 12 in terms of prime factors. When I first divide this 12 by 2, I'll get 6 2s are 12. Again, I divide 6 by 2, 3 2s are 6. So 12 can be written as, in terms of prime factors, as 2 squared into 3. Now apply sigma function on both sides, then you will get sigma of 12 as sigma of 2 squared into sigma of 3. Now apply this formula here, we will get 2 power 2 plus 1 minus 1 divided by 2 minus 1 into 3 power 1 plus 1. Here power is equal to 1. So 1 plus 1 minus 1 divided by 3 minus 1. So which is 2 cube minus 1 divided by 1 into 3 squared minus 1 divided by 2. We know the value of 2 cube is 8. 8 minus 1 is 7. And 3 squared is nothing but 9. 9 minus 1 is 8 by 2. Therefore, the answer is equal to 4. So, 7 into 4, where answer is equal to 28. Therefore, sigma of 12 equal to 28. Now, let us move on to the third problem. Here, they asked to find out the value of tau of x and sigma of n for n equal to 2 power e. So tau of n is nothing but tau of 2 power e. Here power is 2 power e. We know the formula of tau of p power e is equal to power plus 1. Here power is 2 power e. Therefore tau of n is equal to 2 power e plus 1. And sigma of n is nothing but sigma of 2 power e is equal to 2 power e plus 1 minus 1 divided by 2 minus 1 by using this formula. So in this problem, they asked to list the positive factors of each p and q, where p and q are distinct primes. In first one, pq squared. So the positive factors are 1 p q q squared. So p into q pq, p into q squared is pq squared. And for the second one, p squared q cube, the factors are 1 p q, so p into q, pq, p squared q, q squared, p squared q squared, p q squared, q cube, p q cube, and p squared q cube. Show that sigma of p power e minus p power e is equal to p power e minus 1 divided by p minus 1. So first I consider the left hand side value, sigma of p power e minus p power e. We know the formula of sigma of p power e is p power e plus 1 minus 1 divided by p minus 1 minus this p power e. Now take LCM, then you will get minus p power e into p minus 1 divided by p minus 1. So p power e plus 1 minus 1 minus p power e, here base is equal, so you have to add the power e plus 1 minus into minus plus p divided by p minus 1. Cancel these two things, then you will get p, so this one is p power e, so p power e minus 1 divided by p minus 1. This is your right hand side answer. Hence verified left hand side is equal to right hand side.